how to fix Google Play Store couldn't sign in on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then apps again, and here just type Google, and here we'll find Google Play Store. Click on it and now click storage and then clear cache, and clear data. Click OK and then click force stop. Now go to Google Play Services, click storage, clear cache. Now restart your phone, don't open Play Store, restart your phone and then open it and try to sign in again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.